Assalamualaikum, may Allah His mercy and blessings be all upon you. I am Shreyash. Well, I will tell a story. The title of the story is A Wolf and a Lamb. Long days ago there was a wolf. He was very hungry. He wanted to eat a lamb, but he couldn't find any more. So he went to a forest and started to find a lamb. But he couldn't find, so he became very upset. But suddenly he saw a lamb which was drinking water beside a stream. Then he had made a plan to eat the lamb, and then he said to the lamb, "Hey, why are you making my part dirty?" Then the lamb replied, How can it possible? Because you are upstream than me, and the water flows down. Then the wolf again said the lamb, "You are the lamb who was insulted my father last year." Then the lamb replied, "How is this possible? Because I wasn't even born last year." Then the wolf was very angry and shouted at the lamb and again said, I'm not going to miss a chance to eat you because you are good at excuse." Then the wolf attacked the lamb and ate the lamb. The moral of the story is, somebody who wants to hurt you, he or she has only one way to do this. But who wants to love you, she or he has many ways to do this. Thank you for everyone. Bye.